Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we will show you how to completely disable Siri on your iPhone. To do this, first open the Settings app. Now, scroll down to tap on Siri. Here, select Talk to Siri. Then, select the Turn Off option to prevent Siri from activating with your voice. Next, disable this Press Side button for Siri toggle. After this, go back to the main settings page. This time, find the Accessibility option and tap on it. In the Accessibility section, scroll down to the Physical and Motor category and tap on Side button. Now, you'll see an option called Press and Hold to Speak. Here, simply select Turn Off to prevent Siri from getting activated with your side button. Once you do, Siri will be disabled completely on your iPhone. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.